Polki, Lilwani, Savera.
Mr. Viva in my music class.
Mr. Viva today has music class.
Yes, sir. He came to the class.
Okay then. I will send him the recording. So do the 90. Ma'am, Mr. Viva, Sunny and Amy will be absent today. Ma'am, please put Viva's name at the end after these questions. So Avyan, Dhairya, Polki, Preeti, send your answers.
So I'm doing this second.
Dhairya, send to ma'am, beta. I don't have the answer key.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Let me open the answer key also. If you allow, Mr. Dheeraj.
Sir, I don't need my permission.
I need, you are my boy. I need, you are Dheeraj.
I'm Potter.
All right, guys. So Polki, you didn't send your second answer. So first answer, everyone got it right. The 19th answer is C. Find the distance 300 if she traveled this in 1 hour. So 1 hour she travels 13.27. So 3.5 hours means 3.5 hours. Why am I converting to decimals? Because all the options are in decimals. So 13.27 multiplied by 3.5. So Pritesh, do you need help in this multiplication?
No, sir. I didn't know
We will,
that I have to turn into 3 points.
beta, because all the options are in decimals.
Okay, sir.
So the answer would be C only of 20th question also.
Sir, I didn't did like that.
Beta, it's okay. Any method is good, but I think this is also a good method which I told you, right?
Yes, okay.
You can you could have done in decimals fractions also. You can multiply by, let me tell you the fraction way, 3.27 multiplied by 7 by 2. I think this one will also be easier. So first you multiply 13.27 multiplied by 7, whatever answer you get, divide by 2. For this method will be easier. All right, Abhyan?
Sir, I didn't did like that also.
That also you did not do.
No.
My
Sir, I
goodness.
simply
Then
multiplied
listen
by.
to me. Listen to me. I will tell you another objective approach. So what is 13 into 3? 39.
39.
So when you multiply with half, it will be approximately 6.5. ठीक है
Yes.
ना? Half we have to multiply 33 and a half na? So it
Yes.
will be 45.5. So
Okay.
answer will be this.
Sir,
Okay?
I didn't do like that also.
You didn't do like that also. Then
Sir,
beta I am
but,
out
sir, should I tell
of.
you what did I do?
Okay, tell me.
Sir, I did 13.27 into 3. Then
Okay,
I,
then you did 13.27 into half. Then
yes.
you added them. So
Yes.
that's equivalent to multiplying by 7 by 2.
Okay.
Okay. So do the 21 and 22 question. All right, guys. Preeti also has given. Lilwani, you gave one answer only.
No, sir, I gave two.
What is the answer for 21st? It is
Sir, B
D.
part.
And
Yes.
24th second, it is B part, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now the 23rd question. If you have done Olympiad last year, then only you will get it probably. Otherwise, you won't be able to get. So I am giving 23rd, 24th, 25th. So guys, hurry up. Those who have done the last two can try the 23rd one also. 23rd one cannot be asked in your school exams, it can only be asked in Olympiad. Rilvani, Avyan, guys, Preeti, just send me for 24, 25. Don't waste time on 23rd.
Sir, I was doing
Sir,
23rd. So 23rd only.
So Pritesh, which one you aren't getting? 24, 25 you are getting?
Oh, yes, sir.
So just give for 24, 25, Pritesh, Rilvani, Avyan. All right, let's see, Pritesh.
I'm sending.
The product of fractions is expressed as product of numerators, product of is it correct or false, Pritesh?
What?
This one, the product of fractions are expressed as product of numerators, product of denominators. Is it true? Is it false or true?
False.
Why, Victor? 2 by 3 into 5 by 7 can be written as 2 by 5 times 3 by 7. Can it be written like this? Yes or no? So it is true.
I can't say that.
Understood? Yes or no?
Okay.
So Lilwani, you got the tough one right and the last one wrong. Last one, Mohit.
Sir, I was solving the 23rd one, so I didn't get much of time to do
So
that.
Mohit go to a shopping to a mall. He bought a pair of jeans, two shirts. At which store should Mohit shop to spend the least amount of money? Mohit bought a jeans from OK. So which shop he should shop to shop get the least amount of money? So he purchases one pair jeans and two shirts. So this is one pair jeans and two shirts. So clearly this is 100 more, this is 50 more, but if this is 50 more, this is also more. So we can compare P and R. This is 100 more. So even if he buys two shirts, still this is going to be the least. So the answer should be B part without even calculation. I know. Why? Because this is 400, this is 220 approximately. So this is 400, this is 500. केवल शर्ट में जो डिफरेंस है that is of about 20 rupees. So even if you buy two shirts, still because of jeans, this is going to be the least expensive. So Pritesh, understood?
Sir, will P be the least expensive?
P part store P is least expensive because of the pair of jeans, right?
सर मैंने गलती से आर देख लिया पी को इसलिए मैंने गलत भेज दिया.
Yes, you have to be careful. So next, the difficult question. It's not difficult basically, but you need to know the solution once to do it in the exam. So basically, there are multiple variables here. We can never solve it directly unless we notice that we have 16131915 also. So basically 6a is 60. So a will be equal to what? 10. Understood or not understood, guys?
Sir, how is 6 equals 16?
Because यहाँ पे देखो numbers देखो 63985 यहाँ पे भी 63985 है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So we compare 6a is equal to 60. We compare with the place value of 6.
Okay.
Now 3 is equal to 3 by b. So what will be b? Tell me. Quickly tell me.
So 10.
B will be 1 beta. 3 upon 1 is going to give you 3, no? Then 9c is equal to 0.9, which is 9 by 10. This is 0.9 or 9 by 10. So what will be c equal to? Other than Pritish, guys, those who got it wrong can speak. Everyone except Lilwani can speak. What will be c equal to?
Sir, -10.
माइनस साइन कहाँ से आ जाएगा?
Sir,
Sir,
C will be equal to 1.
C will be equal to 1 by 10. Now 8 by D is equal to 8 by 100. So what will be D equal to?
Sir, 1 by 100.
100.
Beta, this time D is in the denominator. So
100.
both the numerators are same, so denominators will also be same. D will be 100. Next, E I will write here. 5E is equal to 5 by 10,000 because this is the 10th, 100th, 1000th and 10,000th place. So what will be E equal to? Tell me.
Equal to 1 by 10.
1 by 10,000. Now we have got the value of A, B, C, D, E. So 4A will be equal to 40 plus 7B will be equal to 7 plus 6C will be equal to what? 6 by 10 plus D, which is equal to 100 plus 3E, which is equal to 3 by 10,000. So your number will be 147.6, and then there is nothing at the 10th place, 100th place, nothing at the 1000th place, and then at 10,000 we have 3. 10,000th place we have 3.
Sir, why did you get 147? Not 47.
Because there is 100 also, no?
Oh,
That is why. All right, has everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
So this chapter is over from IMO book. What is the next chapter from IMO book? It is data handling, which we will do later. And then we have simple equations. So we will take a break. We will resume after the break. You guys can watch the room or do whatever.
For how many minutes?
4.5.
Sir, 5. So you play Minecraft?
No, beta, it's just an ad coming. But I have played games in the past. Not Minecraft.
did you play Mario?
I have played Mario.
Sir, I love Mario.
Do you know, like, the bombs are blasted in Mario at the end? Do you know that? Like, when you reach the flag.
I didn't complete the game.
So today we are starting rational numbers. So you guys can practice fractions from your books, or you will be soon getting prep guide. You can start from there also. So, or you can do from your school books as well. So today we are starting rational numbers. So what do we understand by rational numbers? So a little bit we will do revision of number system. So everyone unmute. So natural numbers start from where?
0.
1.
1 or 0?
1. 1.
Natural numbers start from 1. And they are always whole only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They cannot be in fractions. What about whole numbers?
So they
Zero.
start from 0. 0.
They start from 0. See, Viranj, we are doing grade 6. 0, 1, 2,
Rational
3,
number grade 6
4,
में नहीं था.
6. So then, what about integers? Lilwani will tell me.
They are in negative and positive.
Negative whole numbers, negative wholes plus positive wholes. That's it.
Yes.
Anything left?
No, sir.
What is left?
The
Zero.
fraction.
Plus 0. What are fractions?
So fraction.
Part of whole.
Parts of a whole.
Of a whole, we can write fractions in the form of p by q, q not equal to 0, right? And p and q are whole numbers. Whole numbers not equal, right? They are basically positive integers, or I can write positive integers also. Anyway, but I shouldn't give you this definition because we'll be using p by q mainly in rational numbers. That is why. So next are rational numbers. If you include all of these natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fractions, so everything above plus negative fractions will be your rational numbers. The official definition is
और समझ नहीं आ
that
रहा है.
Narayana should not talk. Any number that can be expressed in p by q. P by q means p by q and q not equal to 0. P and q are integers, means they can be negative as well as positive. P and q are integers. So let's see some examples. 2 by 3, rational number or not? So
Yes.
everyone unmute.
Yes. समझ
And
नहीं आ
please
रहा.
copy the names. Please copy the names.
और समझ नहीं आया rational numbers.
मैं समझा रहा हूँ बेटे, मैंने अभी चालू किया है. देखो कोई भी नंबर जिसको आप फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में लिख दो 2 by 3, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 2 by 3. मैडम प्लीज कॉपी द नेम्स. सो 2 by 3 को मैंने लिख दिया. इट इज अ रैशनल नंबर. व्हाट अबाउट, let's start with Dhairya. 2 by 3 is a rational number. What about 0 Dhairya? Rational number, just a yes or no. कहानी नहीं करनी है, everyone unmute. 0,
No.
मैंने क्या बोला? Whatever written above. So is also a rational number. Next, Viru 5, rational number or not?
Sir, yes.
5 can be written as 5 by 1. Avyan, what about -3, rational number or not?
So yes.
-3 can be written as -3 upon 1. Savera, 1 upon -6, rational number or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. -5 upon -6, rational number or not, Lilwani?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Polki pi, rational number or not?
Yes, sir.
Pi is irrational. You know the meaning, you know the reason why. You will say, sir, pi is
Sir, but
22 by 7.
no,
Then
sir.
why it is irrational?
It is 3.1.
So because it does not have a definite value after dividing.
No, beta, no. That's not the reason, because this is not the accurate value, not the exact value.
Or 3.14.
Beta, वो भी approximate value है.
3.141596
It's not the exact value of pi. That is why pi is irrational. Pi बहुत ही common irrational number है. हर teacher हर book में सबसे पहले rational number पढ़ाएंगे. They will say pi is irrational. Some books give the reason, some books don't give the reason. They just like to confuse kids like me. So pi, but I have explained you. Pi is irrational. We have understood, right?
Yes, sir.
So Avyan's sister also wants to join the class. Beta, you can also join. Bring your notebook here. You can also study. This grade 6 only.
So she is studying from my mom.
So next chance goes to Preeti. What about 5 by 0? Rational or not?
No.
No. Next chance goes to Dheeraj. What about 0 by 0?
Sir, no.
No, not a rational.
Because Q isn't equal to Q is equal to 0.
Q is equal to? Yes,
Q
because the denominator cannot be 0. Because the denominator cannot be 0. Next, what about 0 by 3, Viru? Rational or not?
Sir, it is rational.
Rational. So now we see the standard form, how we write it. Suppose 5 upon -7, I have written. Okay. In the standard form, it will be written as -5 by 7. The minus sign will be used with the numerator, not denominator. Do we get that?
Sir, why?
बेटा इट इज द अब आप बताओ नेगेटिव आपको नीचे अच्छा लगेगा नीचे आ रहा है डिनोमिनेटर में विल इट लुक मतलब फॉर द ease of calculation for the standard nomenclature.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so why your classes are written in Roman numbers, not in normal numbers?
Sir, SE.
Because it's a system and we are a part of the system. What about -3 upon -2? Standard form will be 3 by 2.
Sir,
Any
-2.
doubts? Yeah.
Sir, -2 by -3 नहीं होगी standard form.
-2 upon -3 will be 2 upon 3. बेटा केवल माइनस साइंस कट हो जाएंगे.
Okay.
फ्रैक्शन चेंज नहीं किया मैंने.
Okay.
All right. Let's take one more example. -3 upon 2 standard form सेम ही रहेगा, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होगा. Got it? Yes or no?
Sir, क्यों?
बेटा क्योंकि नेगेटिव न्यूमरेटर में is more easy to simplify, to solve, to play with. We like playing with numbers, right? Yes or no? No?
Yes, sir.
So someone tell me a story. What's going on in life?
सर पैर टूट गया मेरा.
कैसे?
सर कोलिजन एक और प्लेयर के साथ फुटबॉल खेलते हो.
My goodness. Like, is it fractured or is it like fine, not fractured?
नॉट फ्रैक्चर्ड लेकिन मतलब हिला नहीं पा रहा.
That's sad.
Sir, my life is very boring because tomorrow we have school.
So you remember we used to do equivalent fractions, you remember?
No, sir.
कि भूल
Yes,
गए हम?
sir,
The
believe me.
same way we can do equivalent rational numbers. Let me give you an example. 2 by 7 or minus 2 by 7. What will be equivalent rational number? I'll multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. I'll get minus 4 by 14. I'll multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. I'll get minus 6 by 21. I'll multiply the numerator and denominator by 100. I'll get minus 200 upon what? 700.
700.
So do the next questions. So give me two equivalent rational numbers for each of them. So total 4 answers you have to give in one message quickly.
और इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल बनाना है इनका.
हाँ बेटा इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल बनाना है. बना सकते हैं हम.
Yes.
Sir, do we need to use the standard form here?
It's not compulsory because you have to write the equivalent rational numbers.
So will we write it in the standard form?
But it's not compulsory because we just have to write the equivalent rational numbers. So writing in standard forms, giving your answers in standard forms is not compulsory.
Now wait, I gave the answers wrong. I'm sending it.
Ayanka, where is your sister now?
Sir, she is studying.
Lilwani, where is your brother?
So somewhere in the house, I don't know.
Viru's younger sister is, very docile. You can never hear her voice coming. Right, Viru?
Sir,
Yes or no, Viru?
no.
No?
No.
Sir, my sister is also screaming.
All right, let's see. So we multiply by 2. By 2, I get 10 upon minus 6. I multiply by 3. By 3, I get 15 upon minus 9. Or I can write minus 15 upon 9 also. Similarly, this I multiply by 10 by 10, I get 20 upon 70. I can use the minus sign or I cannot use the minus sign, up to me. I can multiply by 5, I'll get minus 10 upon minus 35. So we have understood this loud and clear. So next question, just you have to write with positive denominators. So 5 by minus 9, 24 upon
सर माइनस का साइन ऊपर ले आना है।
हाँ जी. So your denominator should be positive. The question says your denominator should be positive. That's it. You decide what you want to do.
Sir, so can you give an example?
I just gave an example. I will give you one more. Do the second and third part. This will become into minus 5 by 9. Okay. So why, how the magic happens and the negative signs comes up? Can anyone tell me the reason? Mathematical reason how this happens?
Sir, because the whole, like the denominator of the fraction can never be.
No, beta, no. We can see, beta, you are talking about fractions. In rational numbers, the denominator can be negative. And in fractions, nothing can be negative. Neither the numerator nor the.
सर मल्टीप्लाई बाय समथिंग होता है।
We multiply by -1 to get this positive and this negative. We multiply the numerator and denominator. You don't have to show it anywhere, but this is the mathematical reason. तो कुछ क्या मल्टीप्लाई होता है, कुछ और थोड़ी मल्टीप्लाई होगा, -1 ही तो होगा मल्टीप्लाई. सभी को थोड़ी मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से. राइट सवेरा?
नो सर, उसके टांगे ऊपर कर देना और सिर नीचे.
So this would be -24 by 11. And when I multiply -1 to numerator and denominator, or both of them will cancel out, I will get 13 by 5.
फिर मैंने करा -5 का माइनस ऊपर ले गया तो माइनस माइनस प्लस।
Okay. So have you understood, Lilwani, Dheeraj?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lilwani, I have never talked to your younger one, like younger brother.
So he is always lost in the house.
He's always.
Lost in the house. Everyone's always finding him.
My goodness. So you are given the number -3 by 7. You have to make it, the numerator should be -6. Given the form such that the numerator is -6. Or make an equivalent rational number such that the numerator is -6. So those who have done the A part can do the B part also. I want the denominator, no, numerator first of all as numerator 15. Same question, numerator 15 and denominator I want -49. So this is the B and the C part. For the A part, we'll multiply by 2 by 2 to get -6 upon 14.
सर बी का आपने लिखा है नहीं फ्रैक्शन।
Same है बेटा, same question है. This is the fraction. This is the rational number, not the fraction. Don't call it the fraction. But it gets offended. This is a rational number. It is having -3 upon 7. Don't offend it, Peter. All right, Viru?
Sir, I didn't know numbers had feelings.
Everyone has feelings, man. So I'll multiply minus 3 with 7 with minus 5 upon minus 5. So I will get 15 upon minus 35. That is my answer. Here I will multiply with minus 7.
Denominator minus 49.
Beta, you rational numbers can have denominator minus 49. Na? No one is saying you can't have, but in the general practice, we will make the numerator negative. But in this question, I am saying give me the denominator minus 49. I can say anything, right?
But in the paper, you given denominator minus 35. How?
Because I wanted the numerator 15. So I had to multiply with minus 5 in the numerator. Okay. Otherwise, I would have got the numerator minus 15. Got it, Avyan?
Yes, sir.
Now, next question. You have to change this to numerator minus 18. This is the question.
Sir, is it minus 18 or minus 89?
Minus 18.
Possible ही नहीं है.
Yes, sir. I was also about to say that.
Sir, ये sir 96 नहीं हो सकता. 18.
गाइस हार मान लो, मैं बता देता हूँ आंसर. अब हार मान लो, आपको नहीं आता.
No, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Sir, 1 second.
Sir, give me 2 more minutes. Wait.
Lilwani asked her brother and got a star.
So my brother is not in my room only.
Viransh, how is Prisha doing?
Very bad.
Why?
और उनकी तबीयत खराब है.
All right, let's see. So I will simplify. This will become 72. This will become minus 48. Then I'll simplify more. This will become 36. This will become minus 24. Then I'll simplify more. This will become 18. This will become 12. I will get 18 upon minus 12, which I can write it as minus 18 upon 12. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
So you push the rational number is same. You have to express it in denominator.
Sir, मैं
So
पहले वाले में
this,
कंफ्यूज हो गया. मैं डिनोमिनेटर सोच लिया.
so the rational number is 144 upon 96. The rational number is 144 upon minus 96.
सर डिनोमिनेटर 4 होना चाहिए.
Yes.
Can we go?
No P. So we got this, or I can say I got this. I will simplify it with 3. So 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12. So I'll get minus 6 upon 4. So Pritesh, Polki, Lilwani, Savera, Dheeraj. Understood?
Sir, I forgot to add that.
Yes.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
Sir.
So all right, guys. Rest we'll do in the next class. Bye bye. Good night. Enjoy.
Yes.
Bye.